Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Eamcet 2020 last minute tricks that every student should know before writing the Eamcet 2020 examination. So before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So number 1, revise all important chapters. In mathematics, you should have to revise vector algebra, probability, straight lines, circles, matrices, De Moivre theorem and complex number, etc. These are very important chapters because these chapters contain more weightage in the TSMCET 2020 examination. So don't leave these chapters. In physics, the most important chapters which contains more weightage in TSMCET 2020 examination are Newton's law of motion, moving charges and magnetism, motion in a straight line, work, power, energy, electrical potential and capacitance, etc. Make sure to revise these chapters 2 to 3 times before writing TSMCET 2020 examination. In chemistry, you must revise organic chemistry. If you haven't touched the organic chemistry till now, so at this time don't touch the organic chemistry. Try to revise atomic structure, chemical bonding, states of matter, 3A and all group elements, electrochemistry, alkali and earth metals, classification of periodic table and etc. Number 2, try to attempt 2 to 3 mock tests in a day of TSMCET 2020. By this you can get an idea how to attempt TSMCET 2020 final examination. So by this you can also check your level of preparation and you can get idea how which type of question they are asking in the TSMCET 2020 examination. So just click on I button where you can find a video regarding how to give mock test for TSMCET 2020. So just click on that button, you can get complete details regarding the mock tests. So number 3, try to practice at least last 5 years question papers of TSMCET 2020. You can also practice last 5 years papers of APMCET 2020 as the syllabus of both TS and APMCET are same, because it is known that 25% of the questions will come from last previous year papers. So kindly make sure to practice these papers. I had also provided a link of website in the description of this video where you can find previous year papers of AP and TSMCET. So number 5, practice formulas, reaction and important equations. I had already made a video regarding the important formulas of TSMCET 2020 where you can find chapter wise important formulas of TSMCET 2020. So just click on I button and watch that video and download the important formulas of maths, physics, chemistry subject chapter wise. So at last, practice your weak chapters. As you are preparing for the TSMCET from so many days, you can get idea which chapters are weak chapters for you. So kindly focus more on these chapters in these few days. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members. If you have any doubt, just comment in the comment section and make sure to join my WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description where you can find fast and latest update regarding the TSMCET 2020. Thanks for watching.